Leah Becker is a 53-year-old mother of 3 with terminal interstitial lung disease.
This is what the edge of death looks like.
The Vernon resident is undergoing testing in order to be added to the wait list for a potentially life-extending double lung transplant at Vancouver General Hospital.
I have to be prepared to have bare minimum 3 months of somewhere to stay, to live. When that happens, when I get the call.
If that call comes when the city of Vancouver is hosting the FIFA World Cup.
I have heard that the vacancy rate is this, and that the cost for anything is astronomical.
I think what's going to happen is that there will be patients navigating an optionless system. So there's going to be nowhere to stay, and there's going to be nobody within government accountable for this or within the healthcare system.
In an email, the health ministry said, while there isn't a specific program in place to provide extra support during the 7 spread-out game days, there are a number of existing programs available to patients and their families.
And so the province has suggested that patients plan ahead or work with their doctors to find a plan for themselves, and that it's not something that the patient should be responsible for. The FIFA World Cup is not the responsibility of a patient. It is the responsibility of the healthcare system and the provincial government.
I've never looked to the government to help me for anything, but I guess I would look to them for a safety net. There isn't one there.
Fearing out-of-town patients will be left with no options during FIFA, the advocacy group Housing is Healthcare has secured 15 rooms in downtown Vancouver.
And I still have them on hold, but I'm actually looking for a financial sponsor right now. So for those 2 months this summer, it would cost approximately 200,000 Canadian dollars.
If a financial sponsor can't be found in the next week, those rooms will be released.
And then we will be back to square one where there's nothing left.
Becker has taken out a line of credit in case she gets the call for a transplant during the World Cup period. Her message to the health minister?
Help us, please. We need help. And this is something that is much easier done at that level than it is at the level I'm at. So it's a plea for help.
Shannon Patterson, CTV News.